again to Kimberly and Knit for Brains. This is week 4 of the 12 weeks of Craftsmas. So this week I'm making another hostess gift. Now, admittedly, maybe you're not into this really popular thing right now, which is the food coasters. That is what I made. My son is moving into a really cool apartment with a friend of his up in LA. He's really excited and he was asking for some hostess gifts, and I thought this was kind of fun. So I made these food coasters. So simple, friends. So simple. Each one took me like probably less than 2 hours easily. I made this fried egg, okay? And again, when you're making these, anything that you're going to be doing, like my spa, basket pieces, anything touching water, your dish towels, make sure that there's some cotton or some natural fibers because you want that absorbency. So I made this fried egg. This is actually a hemp yarn that I found. It is a Lion brand yarn. I will include the link. Michael's, you can get this. This is my avocado. And again, this is sort of a hemp yarn here, and then I did this kind of a really cute design on the back side. So this is nice. It's got some good absorbency here. Then I made this donut. How adorable are these things? So easy. And then this is my toast. Now, okay, not super excited about the toast, but check this out. I could have some avocado toast. Oh, thank you very much. I could have some egg on toast. Isn't that adorable? Anyways, so these are my food coasters. Very, very simple. If you're looking for like a really fast hostess gift, maybe a craft bazaar kind of an item, something for a housewarming gift, this would be a really great idea. So I just wanted to show you these. I will include the link with the patterns and the materials below. So just have fun with these. Next week, we're going to be coming into some mug cozies and ice cream cozies, getting closer to those cooler holidays, getting closer to Christmas gift ideas. But this week, I thought, these are kind of fun. I've been looking at these patterns for a while. Didn't really know of anyone that I might want to give these to, but then my son said, Mom, I'd love them, and then there you go. So thanks so much again for watching. This is Kimberly with Knit for Brains, week 4 of 12 weeks of Craftsmas, and I'll see you next week.